stage one works. This is the headlight pushed all the way in against its tabs and whatnot. And there's the LED. The tricky part will be, like I say, putting the other piece in there. So that's the next step. Well, success. Jiggling around and messing around. Light and high beam, no problem. And excuse me again. Everything is it's in there the way it's supposed to be. Now the trick was to find a place for that silly. Gotta make sure not to drop it. Show you how I ended up putting that. And there it is. What I needed to do was get the original plug onto this side so I could then push this back in to a slot there. And it's kind of out of the way there. And then here's the see, the plug did come out on this side before. And what I did is I pulled the tape off, ran it back up because it's up here. I moved this out of the way a little bit to get to it. And then I was able to bring the plug for the original over here, plug it in, plug in this new job, and now see it slides all the way back in there. I could just put it like that. It'd be fair to get back out if I ever needed to, but I think, oh, right there is what it tells me. I don't know if you can read that. It says 9 to 32 volts DC. So yeah, that takes the bike's voltage down to probably 5 for the transistors or whatever on the LED. Okay, so now I think what I'm going to do is put a little bit of tape on this, slide it back in there, and then tape it down so it doesn't rattle around. That's not too exciting. And then I'm putting this puppy back together. Well, I'll put the LEDs for the marker lights, and I haven't done that yet. That's pretty much it, I think. Holy smokes, I put an LED in the left, and just left the normal incandescent on the right. And what a difference. I mean, that LED, I mean, when I first turned it on, I don't have the headlight plugged in. When I first turned it on, I thought the headlight was on. I like that. I'm going to get that other one in there now. Here's the little 4-watt bulb that came out. And there's the replacement. Now to take the plug out, it's just a plug into the back. There's no twisting or anything, you just kind of wiggle it out. I used a big bladed screwdriver to help me get started. And then I used a little 303 protectant. There's a little bit of lubricant on the rubber to put it back in, and it went in nicely. Alright, we'll get the other one in and get this all put back together. Well, it's almost put back together, and it was uneventful, but one thing that took quite a while to get back together was the headlight adjustment. The bike has 2 adjustment methods. There's a screw down here, I guess, where you can do static alignment. And then you have this one, this knob, that goes through a cable up under here. comes around and then down to that side. That's the one I was talking about taking apart earlier. Well, putting it back together was a royal PTA. Pain in the A. But I think I found the trick. And the trick is, there's, as you're looking at it this direction. There's 2 screws to the center of the bike that go in, and then 1 screw to the outside. The trick is, of the bracket that holds the speedometer cable, the trick is to put the outside screw in first. Then put the light in, put the cable in, and then that outside screw holds the cable in place better than trying to slide the cable in place and let it just kind of balance there and then put the clamps on and all that stuff. And then if you can get the one of the 2 screws in, then it's home free. It's just a matter of screwing it back down. So anyway, that's the little trick. Trust me, it took me an hour to figure that one out. I fiddled with the other way of trying to get one of the 2 screws in, and that just did not work. And then finally I said, let's try this other side. Anyway, if you do it, best of luck. I think it's a well worth update. Hopefully I'm going to get up early in the morning before it's dark and take the bike out and check all the lights out. I'm real excited because now, with my new driving lights, these little guys, and LEDs here and here, this should be a pretty bright event. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you put some LEDs in your bike. Take care.